Okay, I'm going to talk to you about how you can use Word to get your formulas and your algebra to look really neat. In Word, if you go to Insert, the Insert tab, and you go to Equation, it brings up this little box where you can drag and drop and move somewhere else and copy and paste it and change the font of it. But it's your equation editor, and you can type in any formula you want and it'll look really neat. So for example, if you want to do something like Pearson's, which is R equals. You can use the equals button up here if you want. You can type in letters as when you see them. Now, if I recall, uh, Pearson starts with a fraction. Okay, and then you want, I think it has a sigma, and then it has a bracket, and it's something like x take away x bar, isn't it? Now, how you do that is the x bar bit is what we call an accent. And has it got it here? Here it is, yeah. If you go to the accent one, it's this one down here, and you can type in X there. Okay. If you want to square a bracket, let's say you want to do the bottom bit something like sigma x take away x bar squared, isn't it? Right. You want to press this button first, and then put the bracket inside the box with a squared on the outside. Then you can do inside the bracket x take away x bar like that. Okay, so you want to type let me just go back to there. You want to go to you want to press that one if you're going to square something or cube it first, and then especially a bracket, and then you type the bracket afterwards. It just looks neater. It doesn't look, it looks really messy the other way. You'll find out anyway. Mess around with it and see what just play about with it. The other thing is, if you want to do something like f0, in the chi-squared, where's that? Okay, in this script thing, it's the second one you want, and then it's like f0, and then you got the f0, yeah? Right, it gets a little bit complicated when you let's say you copy a table in like this. Actually, let me just do that first. And you want to type a formula in here, for example. You probably want to make it a good size first of all, and don't know about you, but tables are best if they're in the middle. But in the box, if you click the cell and you click insert, obviously in equation editor, it'll type it in there, and then you can then type in whatever you want, F0 like that. Now there is a way to get it into the middle. Sure, is there a way? I'm not sure if there's a way to get it to the top, but basically you can type in formulas in table cells as well if you wanted to. So, but it just makes your formulas look really, really neat. Okay, so use that feature. You need to mess around with it. It probably takes no more than 5 minutes to learn, really, and then use your textbook to copy the formulas in. Or another thing I've seen students do, and it doesn't look as neat, but they go to the textbook, and let's say you want that formula in, they basically use the insert screenshot screen clipping feature, and then you can basically copy the picture in, and then they've used that, but it doesn't look that good, especially if you want to drag it into a cell or something like that. So use the formula editor instead. The equation tool is much neater. Okay, I'm going to stop it there.